Welcome to this official presentation of the E1ULIFE overview. And in case you were wondering, what is E1ULIFE? Well, simply E1ULIFE is an empowering community created for anyone who desires can achieve financial success. So here's what it is. It provides all the tools and training required to assist you with your online income. All the tools and the training required to assist you. Now, you can choose from 6 different commissionable packages to generate a daily income. Just look at today's trends. More people are building wealth from home than ever in history. This has now become the big gig economy. This has become the remote work from home society now. You'll notice many people are sitting back in their homes in front of a laptop with a headset and microphone on, and they're doing the customer service for some major corporation or some type of department store, or this is just what's going on in today's world. And so what you want to do is find the perfect work from home opportunity for you. Why work from home building some corporation's wealth when you can work from home building your own wealth? And that's what E1ULIFE has for you today. So are you ready to create success with just a smartphone, even an older computer and a simple data plan that connects to the internet? You can start getting paid daily. Yes, E1ULIFE pays daily, and even more so than that, it pays instant pay at the moment of sale. You can give the best that you have and change your financial future. These are some of those 6 packages. We have the Elevation package for $30. It contains a custom opt-in page. We'll give you what is known as a squeeze page. A squeeze page is simply a web page that allows you to build your audience. It's those web pages you see that has the little form that says enter your email, those type of pages. Well, that's how you build an audience. Why do you think so many of these websites are asking you for your name and email? Because they're building an audience that they can market to till infinity, or until you unsubscribe, right? And then there's the Elevation Elite package for $110, and it contains the package that came before, the Elevation, and also the custom opt-in page, and it also contains a custom social media pack. This custom social media pack can be used for you to promote whatever marketing opportunity or business. If you already have a business, you can use these social media advertisements to promote that. There's going to be a simple form, and you'll just put in there what you want to customize. Now, something that needs to be said, remember I said these were commissionable packages. So at that Elevation package, if you were to purchase it and then you just happen to refer the package, you'd get a whole $25 instantly paid to you. Instantly paid. It's instant pay at the moment of sale. That money is spendable. For this Elevation Elite, you're going to get $100 if you refer that. And look, it has 27 trainings. This one has 49 trainings. We'll take a look at some of the trainings in just a second. Now, the next one after the Elevation Elite is the Vertex package, and it contains everything that came before it. And it also has custom email templates. These are email templates customized to promote whatever business you want. And you'll just simply tell us what you want customized, and we'll do it. That is included in your cost. That is what you're getting, along with 42 trainings and everything that came before it. And if you refer and anyone purchases, you'll get $250 instantly paid to you. Next after that is the Vertex Elite, and it's for $550, and it contains everything that came before it, plus a customized logo for your business. That's right. You just tell us how you want it to look, and we'll make you up a proper professional logo with all the right resolutions and dimensions and vectors that are required in today's professional world. And this is for any business you want. And there's also 36 trainings. And if you refer the Vertex Elite package after purchasing it, you can receive $500 instantly paid. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay, now we also want to go to the next package. That's going to be the Vertex Pro, which is for $1,110, and if it contains everything that came before it and a custom multi-page funnel. A funnel is simply multiple web pages designed in a strategic way to bring a person closer to buying. That's what a multi-page funnel is, and we will make that for you. That's included in the price along with every other package that came before it, plus 37 additional trainings included. And if you refer anybody and they purchase the Vertex Pro, of course, after you yourself or have owned it, you earn an instant payment of $1,000. And the next package after that is the Vertex Live for $2,500. Contains everything that came before it, and it also contains 22 trainings and a customized corporate style big time website that we build for you according to your specs, how you want it to look. That's what you're getting. Remember when I said earlier you're getting all the tools and trainings? Well, that's what I meant by all the tools and trainings. And if anyone purchases the Vertex Live through your particular E1ULIFE unique link, then you'll earn an instant commission of $2,000 like so many more of our members. Let's take a closer look at some of these trainings. I wanted to show you right quick, just a second. E1ULIFE is one of the strongest communities, if not the strongest, where you can master many areas of business with our state-of-the-art training. And we equip you with the quality products that I just showed you, those custom logo designs, the customized opt-in pages, multi-step page funnels, full big style corporate type websites, all of that. You're getting all of that, the customized logo, all that's included. This is that elevation package. Look at some of what you're gonna learn in this elevation package. Look at that. All of these lessons are included. That's just in that one package alone. That's what you're getting. Come on, one package. Look at the Elevation Elite. And of course, that Elevation, I told you, it costs $30, but if you refer it, you'll get $25 instant pay. The next one is the Elevation Elite. Remember, it had that customized social media pack. Look at the trainings included in this one. Look at all these trainings. That's all the trainings in that one package. And if you refer and anyone buys this, you're gonna get $100 instantly paid. Let's look at the Vertex package for $275. Look at this. All of this training. Come on. Where are you gonna get that much training from at such a low price? And if you refer and anyone purchases, you'll get $250 instant payment. And the Vertex Elite for $550. Look at these trainings here. See, each title is its own lessons. And if you refer anybody and they purchase, you're gonna get a $500 instant commission. Let's go ahead and look at the Vertex Pro for $1,100, and look, Vertex Pro. If anyone purchases, you're getting $1,000 instant pay, but look at the trainings that you're gonna get. Even if you don't refer anyone, look at the training that you're giving access to. Vertex Live for $2,500. When you refer this, you get a whopping $2,000 instantly paid. You're not gonna wait weeks and months to get that $2,000. As soon as your customer pays, the student pays, the money is straight on your debit card. The money is straight into your account. You can go spend it right at that moment if you choose to. And look at the trainings you get with the Vertex Live. You're not gonna wanna pass this up. Let me take you on the inside and just let you look at how some of the training is delivered once people log in. Now, once you've created your account and you've chosen a product package, because if you're gonna earn, you need to purchase a product package, the highest one that you're comfortable with, but the higher the better, of course. Now, because you get everything that came before it, all the commissions, all the products, everything. Okay, now this is just the Vertex Elite classroom, online classroom here. Like I said, there's all the lessons here on this right side. You see here, and all you got to do is just click on one and it'll populate here on the left side. See, there we go. And then you just press play. And this one lesson alone is 44 minutes. Some of them are over an hour. I mean, these are not some rinky-dink thrown together packages and trainings. And of course, the lesson just plays right here. Just plays right here. It's easy, very easy. Look at the YouTube celebrity one. Just wanted to show you the awesomeness of this, and just wanted you to have a look. That's how the trainings are delivered.
To make money online.
This is how you log in and view it.
Celebrity.
And remember, there are 6 packages
not only means you have
with tons of training, and not to mention your tools and products. For example, this one came with the custom logo. You simply click here, and then it's going to ask you some questions of what you want your logo to look like. Just wanted you guys to see that. Now let's go back to our presentation. Let's go ahead and talk about getting paid itself. Now here we are at the commission structure. E1ULIFE is set up in what is known as a one-up compensation plan. So what that means is the first sale goes to you, the second sale is passed up to your sponsor, the third sale and all future sales go to you. All of them till infinity go to you. Now you might be wondering, what's up with that second sale being passed up? What's going on there? Well, here's the thing. That's the one-up. It's one-up to your sponsor, but everybody you bring in, whether you bring in 2 people or whether you bring in 200 people, all of their second sales are going to pass up to you. That's right. Think about that. Just do the math in your head. Don't you see how much money is being made here? This is E1ULIFE. So what now? What do you do now? Well, somewhere around this video or in the description, you'll see a link. You need to click on that link, go and join, and select your package. That's what you need to do. The higher, the better. This is E1ULIFE. You must choose to grow your business and receive unlimited commissions from now on. And the only way you're going to do it is click the link in the description underneath this video, or somewhere around this video. You'll see a button or something, or just get back to the person who referred you. I promise you won't be disappointed. Come on in and get these instant commissions by joining the E1ULIFE community and create your financial future. Plus, you'll be an online marketing master that everyone is going to come to as the authority figure. I thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope you come on in and get these commissions by selecting the package at the highest level you can afford. Choose to grow your business now. Get back if we shared this with you, and get started today with E1ULIFE. Click on that link, look in the description, look somewhere around this video for the video. Go ahead and join, free to join. Just select your product package. I want you to experience what it's like to make instant commissions, multiple instant commissions, and plus I want you to experience the one-up effect when you start bringing people in and they pass up all their second sales to you. Look at all those additional instant payments that'll be coming to you. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.